All right, are you ready?
So this is my duff.
Hold on, I gotta do my intro. Hi guys, welcome back if you're not new. In today's video, we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna be having a little fun today. I have my little guy here with me. He has absolutely no idea how much handbags cost. So in today's video, he's gonna be guessing the price of each one of my handbags. What do you guys think? Do you think he can guess the price? What do you think?
Yes.
Yes? He's got a little bit of pizza and like food residue on his face. He was having lunch and he's wearing it now. What did you want to tell them?
So I got a dumpling and it's from 7-Eleven, but it's not fake, it's real.
For any of you guys with kids that have these dumplings, ooh, it feels so sticky. Tell us, is this the real or the fake one? I have a feeling it's the fake one because the face is already kind of coming off. I don't think they sell the real ones at 7-Eleven. All right, should we get started?
Mm-hmm.
All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. My little main man here is gonna be guessing the price of each one of my handbags. I'm just gonna randomly pick out bags from my shelves here. I have a couple down here as well. We're gonna start with something simple, something easy, something that I have right here on my desk. This bag here, what do you think the price of this bag is?
$600.
$600. This is the Row Margot 10, and I think I actually paid $3,500 for this, if I'm not mistaken. 600, huh? Not 600. I kind of wish. All right, you ready for the next one? Okay, let's go with this one.
I think that bag is 1,000.
1,000? No, this bag is almost $5,000. But that's pretty good. What do you think? Is that a lot of money? It's a lot of money, right? It's like 5,500, 4,500, 4,800. I'll flash up the prices on the screen for you guys because I don't remember. This is my Bottega Veneta Jody in the original size. Or maybe it's the small. I always get the size mixed up, but the perfect size in my opinion. All right, should we move on to the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you want to pick? This is the Chanel mini square flap bag. What do you think the cost of this bag is?
It will be 700.
700. I wish it was 700. I think it was 3,500 when I bought it, and I think now it goes for 5,500. $5,500. All right, next one. All right. This is my Hermès shoulder Birkin 29. What do you think the cost of this is?
Okay, that's pretty easy. It's around 2,000 or 3,000.
2,000 or 3,000, he says. This one is, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
$15,000. What do you think?
That's pricey.
That's pricey. It is pricey. That's why mommy keeps it on the high shelf. We don't want any accidents.
Okay.
All right, next one.
It's gonna be pretty small.
Okay, nice choice. I think the kids would like this one. This is my Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami Nano Speedy bag. What do you think the cost of this is?
Around 6,015 million.
No, it's not 6,000 or 16,000 or millions. This one was actually, I think, 2,000, maybe 2,500. Why do you think it costs so much? Why does this one look so expensive to you?
Because all the bags people have like 200 or like $1,000.
So you think this one looks expensive? Is it the colors? That's why? Okay.
And the gold.
And the gold. Got the gold hardware. Next one.
It's gonna be pretty small too.
All right. My Loro Piana L19 pocket pouch. How much do you think this one costs?
Okay, it's pretty easy. 1,000 or 5,000.
1,000 or 5,000? Well, if you had to guess one, which one would it be?
5,000.
5,000. Why do you think this one's 5,000?
Because it has.
What makes it look expensive?
It has a rare color on it.
A rare color on it? Is it because of this? Or because it's white?
Not white, it's gray.
It's cream. It's like a cream color.
It's the zipper.
It's the zipper that makes it look expensive?
It's gray and
silver?
Mm-hmm.
Silver? Okay. Silver zipper. This is not 5,000. This was actually, I think it was around 2,200, 2,300. I think they might have gone up in price, but when I got it 3 years ago, it was about 2,200. $2,200.
It's gonna be.
Oh.
It's big.
Yeah, it is big. This is big. This is my Chanel Matthew Blazy Spring Summer 2026 maxi flat bag in suede, the smaller of the two sizes with the gold hardware in the beige color. How much do you think?
Okay. It's gonna be, so I see the gold, so it's gonna be around 1,000 or 6,000.
Around 1,000 or 6,000? Well, if you had to guess one, which one would it be?
6,000.
6,000. This was actually $8,500. $8,500. Why does it look like it's 6,000?
Because this bag has gold.
Because it has gold. Okay. All right, next bag. This one. Careful. This is my beloved Hermès Birkin 30 in the gold color, Togo leather, palladium hardware.
Gold.
The color is called gold. This color is called gold. That's what they call it.
Okay. So it looks like it's 5,600.
It looks like it's 5,000. Oh, my ADHD is kicking in and I'm looking at the hardware. Sorry, go ahead. We digress. How much do you think this one costs?
Said it already.
What is it?
5,100.
5,100. Are you ready? $12,000. What do you think? Is that a lot of money? Yeah. Did you think that this looked like it's 12,000? Why do you think it looks like it's 5,000?
Because it has this, this, and this, and this, and I do not know how they make this.
Let's do a little sticker peel while we're here. This still has the
Can I
sticker
see?
on it. Yeah, we're gonna take
In hope.
the sticker off.
Oh,
We're gonna film this part because I know how satisfying this is.
so satisfied. Do you hear like this? Do you hear like the
Ooh,
farting
that
noise?
shine. The farting noise? What's the farting noise? Are you
This is-
keeping them entertained?
This is so satisfying. The dumplings and the needles and the slime are so satisfying. And Mama,
Finally took off the last of the two stickers.
see this and here? That's alright. This is right here and there. This is a real dumpling, and I don't know why I got the pink dumpling because it's a gold color, and in there it's beads. So I don't know why they put beads in a dumpling because they should left them for a bracelet. So, and a necklace. So that's why it is a real dumpling. Can we keep going?
Yes, we can keep going. All right, next bag. I'm surprised you had. There's one bag I'm really surprised you haven't chosen yet.
What was it?
Try to guess. Which one do you think Mommy would think that you would pick that you haven't picked yet?
This one?
This you picked this one already. We just did that one.
This one?
No, but we can do this one next.
What is it?
How much do you think this bag looks?
6,000.
I think now we're just guessing high prices here. How much does it really look like to you? It doesn't have leather. It has canvas.
I really said I saw.
We need to put this in the dust bag.
I think I know how pricey it is because I saw the price when you buy it.
Oh yeah?
So it's 7,000.
This is actually, I think this one's actually 3,000 or 3,500. This is the Hermès Garden Party 30 in the Ebene color, which is like a dark chocolate brown. Canvas with the leather there. Super, super lightweight. I don't wear or reach for this bag nearly enough, but I think it's a staple and I love it. And I think now that the summer is approaching, maybe I'll start wearing it more. I do sometimes wish I had gotten it in a lighter color, but I do love this color too.
Well, I think you might say I did not pick this one yet.
Oh, all right. Let's pick this one. All right. How much do you think this bag is?
It has gold, so it's around 8,200.
8,200? This is the Celine box bag, classic style in the medium size. Who's there? Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. This was,
Wait, Mom.
I think, almost $4,000 when I got it
All
retail.
the bags here?
No, we don't have to. We could end whenever you're ready.
I want it now.
3,500 or 3,800. You can't get this in the boutiques anymore, but you can find them pre-loved. They don't make this bag anymore. Discontinued.
How do you get it then?
I was one of the last people to get it when they still had it in store. They don't make it anymore. It's a classic. It's from Phoebe Philo's era. Do you know who Phoebe Philo is?
Nope.
She was the creative director for Celine for many years, and she came up with some beautiful classic styles that are truly loved even till this day. Now she has her own brand.
Okay.
Want to do one last one? No? You're done? Okay. All right, everybody.
Bye.
We want to thank my little guy here for joining us in today's video. Thank you so much for being with us today, and thank you for playing the game. I hope you had fun. Did you have fun? Okay, good. He had fun. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. I'm going to leave 2 additional videos for you guys at the end, so stay tuned for that, and give me a follow on Instagram as well, where I post daily. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do you want to give a kiss? Say bye. Bye, guys.